In this activity, we're going to investigate the current effect on the size of the force on a wire in a magnetic field. Let's drag the current slider one notch to the left to initiate a current in the wire. Two additional vector arrows appear. The one pointing along the wire represents the current. Now let's turn the current on and off a few times by dragging the slider to the left and to the right, and notice what happens. So there's no current if the current is reversed in the negative direction. Back to zero and then towards the positive. So when there's a current, what happens to the wire? Yes, it moves upwards when the current flows. The current is on. The third vector shows the upward force on the wire. What happens when you increase the current or the flux density? By dragging the slider to the far left, the force vector arrow gets longer and the arrow moves further away upwards. The current in the wire has a circular magnetic field that combines with the parallel field of the block magnets in a way that produces an upward force on the wire.